Applying joints to an assembly. When we create a joint between components, the joint allows a special constraint that basically allows movement between our two components. So a joint allows motion between these two connected components. So we're going to go up to our relationships panel and go to joint. And the type we're going to use is by default is automatic. So we're going to start with this. It's going to decide of what type of option to use. And so we're going to come over here to connect, and we're going to select our first connection, and we're going to use this to pick on our first. And you can see I'm going to cancel here. I want you to look at in here. You can see I have a little hollowed out cylinder and a solid cylinder here. So I'm going to put this inside of here. So I'm going to go up to joint. I'm going to keep this as automatic. I'm going to choose my first origin. I'm going to come over and I can pick on any end point, midpoint, center point. I'm going to pick here. Now I'm going to come over and with my second connect highlighted, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to pick on my center here. I pick, and it slides it in the position and it animates it. The reason why I animated it is down here I have animate, I have automatic plane, so I can play on this and this will show the movement of the joint. The gap over here, the gap is going to show us the offset between the two connected components, and our alignment is to specify the alignment for the assembly. The first and second alignment buttons specify the direction of our faces or axes for the components. And so we basically then can give this a name, like some verbal name, and away we go. We just created our first joint. So joints are a way we can create movement between two components. So it's a special condition and allows us to have a special constraint that allows the movement between two different components.